It's in the game.
We get to a lightweight bout between Bruce Lee and Justin Getjie. All right, so here he is, Justin Getjie, the lightweight contender. Many fancy him a future UFC champion, but it's just been amazing to watch this guy seamlessly transition to the UFC. One headlining spot after the next. More bonuses than UFC fights. This might be the most exciting fighter in the world today.
He is the most exciting fighter in the world. He's a guy that when you put him at the top of the marquee, people show up. People want to watch Justin Getjie compete because you know you're almost watching we go to these videos on YouTube and all these other things because we want to see action. Don't worry about that. Get on your PlayStation, choose Justin Getjie as your character, and it's going to be fun. In real life, in video games, Justin Getjie is one straight highlight.
Yeah, you want bulletproof matchmaking, just throw Justin Getjie in the main event against anybody and he'll take care of the rest. Well, you can argue this is the most influential martial artist of all time, the great Bruce Lee, making his walk to the octagon here tonight, champ.
Everybody wants to be Bruce Lee. They say they want to be like Mike. If you're a fighter, you want it to be like Bruce Lee. You want it to be that fast. You want it to be that charismatic. You want it to have an ability to just freeze your opponents. Your speed, your movement, just the diversity in the attacks that you can give your opponents would just confuse people. I mean, I watched him beat a 7-foot Kareem Abdul-Jabbar to stay undefeated.
Right.
If you can do that, you can do anything.
I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Bruce Lee in a nutshell.
Just so wise.
And now our tail of the tape for this lightweight scrap. Both fighters are 31, with some differences in height and a similar reach. We send it inside the octagon. Here is
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, a kickboxer holding the... Ready. Ready to fight.
All right, crowd getting excited as this fight gets underway, and you hate to call any fighter on this UFC roster a specialist, but on one side, you have a definite striker taking on a true 5-tool pro.
And you see it.
Oh, big knee! Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Oh, spinning back fist. He didn't telegraph that one at all.
Oh, he hurt him. He's hurt. Hold him up. Go get him.
Well, he is up, but man, is he hurt. A finish could come here at any time. Going for the spinning side kick to the body, but he missed. Oh!
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this moment. Go finish his fight.
Oh, little single
big knee!
Back to the feet.
He needs...
And that one did some damage. All right, side control now. We'll see if he can advance position. And he is back up to his feet. All right, single collar tie now. All right, under 3 minutes now to go in round 1. Nice combination there by Justin Getjie. And if you think this pace and pressure is going to wane, you haven't watched any Getjie film.
No, it'll never stop, right? He's going to constantly be in your face. He's going to stay going forward. He's not...
Oh! He's out!
He's done! He's done!
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge, huge win for that young fighter here tonight. Well, another highlight for the real DC as we look back at that scintillating knockout.
Yeah, but the whole fight, he was landing great strikes, kicks, punches. He was doing everything right until eventually he found the shot that ended the fight.
And there he is after the huge knockout turned in tonight. Near perfect execution and one of the bigger highlights of his UFC career.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes, 26 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by